I think it's fair to say that most people don't know much about Kazakhstan. The largest country in Central Asia is often overlooked by travelers exploring the Asian continent. It's not usually the first destination that springs to mind. But if you are looking for an adventure off the beaten path, then this is the perfect place to go. From pristine mountains and beautiful lakes, to ancient history and delicious food, there is something for everyone here. So what are some of the best things to do and see in this often overlooked country? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel. We're traveling to Kazakhstan today, the largest country in Central Asia. It's a land of contrasts, from its bustling capital city Astana to its remote mountain villages. Kazakhstan has something for everyone. Here are just a few of the amazing places you can explore on your next trip. Our first stop is the capital city of Astana, which was formerly known as Nur-Sultan. This is a modern metropolis with a population of around 1 million people. There are plenty of things to see and do here, including visiting the famous Bayturek Tower, which stands at 105 meters tall and offers panoramic views of the city. Or you could take a stroll down Mongilik-El Avenue, which is lined with government buildings and monuments. If you are interested in history, then be sure to visit the Museum of the First President of Kazakhstan, which chronicles the country's past from its Soviet era to its independence. And no trip to Astana would be complete without seeing the stunning architecture of the Hazrat Sultan Mosque. Next up is Almaty, which used to be the capital city before Astana. This is now the largest city in Kazakhstan, and it's home to around 2 million people. Almaty is a vibrant city with a mix of old and new, from its historic green bazaar to its modern shopping malls. One of the most popular things to do in Almaty is to take a cable car up to Koktub for stunning views of the city and the surrounding mountains. You could also visit the Central State Museum of Kazakhstan, or the State Museum of Oriental Art. And if you have time, be sure to check out the ski resorts on Medeo, which is one of the world's highest ski slopes. Another must-see destination in Kazakhstan is Lake Issyk-Kul, which is located in the eastern part of the country. This is the second largest mountain lake in Central Asia, and it's surrounded by stunning mountain ranges. One of the best things to do here is to go hiking or horseback riding and explore the stunning landscapes. You could also visit the nearby Barskoon waterfall or take a boat trip on the lake to see the petroglyphs at Tamgli. Next up is the town of Charyn Canyon, which is located around 150 kilometers east of Almaty. This is a beautiful canyon with red sandstone formations that have been eroded by the wind and the rain over millions of years. It's often referred to as the Grand Canyon of Kazakhstan, and it's definitely worth a visit if you are in the area. There are several hiking trails in the canyon, so you can explore at your own pace, and there are also some great viewpoints where you can take in the stunning scenery. No trip to Kazakhstan would be complete without visiting the vast and inhospitable deserts of the country's steppe region. Here you can explore the endless sand dunes and rugged canyons that make up this unique landscape. One of the best things to do in the steppe is to go camel trekking and experience this mode of transport that has been used here for centuries. You could also visit the Aral Sea, which is a shrinking body of water that was once the fourth largest sea in the world. Now it's mostly just a salty desert full of sandstorms, but it's still an impressive sight to behold. Kazakhstan is a land of nomadic culture and history. If you want to learn more about the country's fascinating past, then be sure to visit the steppe. Here you can explore ancient burial mounds such as the Issyk, Kumis, and Taguzboris mounds, which date back to the Bronze Age. You could also visit the ruins of the ancient city of Otrar, or the Kentai Canyon, which is also known as the Valley of Castles. For those interested in space exploration, a visit to the town of Turkestan is a must. This is the location of the Baikonur Cosmodrome, which is the world's first and largest space launch facility. Here you can explore the museum and learn about the history of space travel. You could also take a tour of the launch pad and see a rocket launch up close. Finally, no trip to Kazakhstan would be complete without trying some of the delicious local cuisine. Kazakh food is a mix of Central Asian, Russian, and Chinese influences, and there are plenty of dishes to sample. Be sure to try besh barmak, which is a traditional dish of boiled meat and noodles. Or how about kuda, which is a grilled meat dish served with rice or potatoes. And don't forget to try the national drink kumis, which is a fermented mare's milk. We hope you enjoyed our overview of the top tourist attractions in Kazakhstan. Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below. Kazakhstan is a beautiful and often overlooked country that has something to offer everyone. From its stunning mountain ranges to its fascinating history and delicious food, there are plenty of things to see and do here. So if you are planning a trip to Asia, be sure to add Kazakhstan to your list. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Now, let's check out another beautiful country in Asia. We highly recommend watching this video on the screen now. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to show support for our work. Your support helps us continue producing high-quality videos about Asia and other topics. We appreciate your generosity and thank you for watching. Have a great day.